man, but this is pretty competitive.
You think that Atom's analysis is flawed?
Are you questioning my science?
No, I'm not questioning the science, just the interpretation. Sir?
I don't know if they told you the fancy institute, but bullets factories at the same time and from the same batch. I elementally identical.
I'm sick of right now. Officer Contain, continue, please.
Study done by the Department of Justice is finding that bullets packaged months apart in separate batches can have the same lead composition.